So far, we have learned that how pandas can be used to construct a data frame like a table by using a list of values. Now we will learn about how can we construct a data frame using dictionary. Okay, dictionary is nothing but like we will be having. So, for example, name, age. I just want to create one dictionary. I just say first one is a name, list of name I would like to give. I just copy this one list of names which I already written in previous section. Okay, then comma, enter. Don't use like this backspace again, huh? Once you enter, then I just want to take a name, then age. Okay, I will take that list of age. Okay, then I will take like location. We'll take a list of location. Enter. This is nothing but a dictionary type. If I check the type of the name age, yes, it is in a dictionary. How to construct a data frame by using dictionary? We can say, for example, info is a table name. I just want to say panda dot data frame D capital. Then I just feed that dictionary name underscore age. Now if you check info, the same table which is constructed before, what we done, one by one we given and we transpose that one, but no need to transpose if you are giving in terms of the dictionary. That's why dictionary play an important role in a sorry, in a python basics also we have been discussed about a dictionary, and we done one thing like a pandas basics. If I open, while discussing about functions, creating a functions by using args and cogs. Okay, not pandas basics, sorry, python basics. In python basics we discussed about that args and cogs using that we created one dictionary result we stored in the form of dictionary, that future value calculation. Okay, how to uh, construct a data frame like table for the dictionary we will be showing you now. Just open that file if you already saved, then scroll down. Okay, you will be having a functions. While started a functions discussion, there you will be having this one, right? Defined function by using args and cogs. Just copy that to the pandas. I just copied. Okay, executed. But I just want to feed these informations, right? So I'll take, these are the two informations I have. On this information I would like to construct a dictionary. It will construct a dictionary because when I feed this information in this function, okay, future value function, I will get the dictionary and stored in the name of called as a data underscore future value. If I check type of that data underscore fcv, it's in a dictionary format. Just I would like to construct a table by using this dictionary. Means how can we do, like future value is equal to, or future value underscore data I say equal to panda dot d capital for data frame. Then we'll feed that data dot fv dictionary. Now you can see fv data, it has been constructed like for each combination of the interest rate, year and present value, calculated future value we stored in that dictionary and it will show here, right? This is how the data frames can be done by using a dictionary we have been checked. Okay, the different kind of operations we can do on this particular table, like locating, index based location or slicing, all these things we can do it here also. We will discuss about that in a coming session.